We ran a poll and asked the very cool gang what tool deal would help them out most this week. And overwhelmingly, you said battery deals. Earlier this week, we ran a live stream flash sale, and those that got in quick scored a Dewalt combo kit with 2 power stack batteries for $139. That glitch was corrected in a matter of minutes, and then the deal ended. That's why, if you like tool deals and glitches that get you hundreds of dollars off deals, you gotta enable the bell, because Notification Squad eats first. For this Cinco de Mayo, we have a new flash sale. We got some awesome deals for you, especially from Dewalt. You can check them all out here, and the link is in the description. And my favorite is this free Power Stack starter kit that gives you the newest battery technology and a charger when you pick up one of these select Bear tools. My favorite of the Bear tools are definitely the Barrel Grip Jigsaw and the Atomic Compact Bandsaw. You can see that bandsaw in action by checking out this video up here. But wait until after this video, otherwise you're going to miss out. This tool deal will ship free to you, but you gotta remember to use the promo code FREESHIP in the cart before checking out. So, if you're one of the first hundo to cash in on this deal, they're gonna swap out the 1.7 amp hour Power Stack battery for a monstrous 5 amp hour XR battery and throw in a tool bag along with the charger. Last time this happened, the deal sold out in a few hours, but by some offshot it doesn't, the deal will end in 24 hours. Don't miss out, and happy Cinco de Mayo.